Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am a rotten Avon rep and I did not do a video for campaign 18. I just wasn't feeling myself last week really, and no excuses, I just didn't do it. And so I hate not doing skipping a campaign, but it happens sometimes. And so what I did do though is I placed my 18 order on the first day that I could. So like last Tuesday, today is Monday, last Tuesday it became live. So I placed my order right down there because there were some things I wanted out of it and I wanted to show you guys. So I have my items in and I thought I would show them to you, even though this isn't really a campaign video where we go through the brochure. I'll show you the things that I got in 18 that are in the brochure and available now. Some of the things I got were not just for 18 though. My power serum was on back order. I told you guys I had ordered that before, so I've been without it. That came this time and I already opened it up and started using it, which is why it's not in the box. I opened it the day I got my order because I had been out of it for a while, and I absolutely love the power serum. So I don't like to go without that. So I was really happy to get that back. Another thing that I ordered was this Footworks Arthritis Achy Foot and Muscle Cream. I think I've mentioned to you guys before that my left leg and foot kind of turn inward a little bit slightly. It's not anything drastic, but they do slightly turn inward, and sometimes I get fatigue in the left calf muscle, in my outer thigh muscle and the side of my foot. I can feel that at the end of the day, and it sometimes is pretty uncomfortable. So I thought I would try this, rubbing it on there at nighttime before bed to see if that helped give me some relief so that I could sleep easier. Also, there had been a bundle in campaign 17, so I back ordered that, and it was a bundle of the Advanced Techniques Reconstruction 7. It was like a 3-piece bundle with the conditioner, shampoo, and the mask for I think $10.99. So I grabbed that because I was out of conditioner. Well, I'm almost out of conditioner and my shampoo is about halfway through. So I figured I'd get this. So this is the conditioner. Here we have the shampoo right here, and this is the mask. Now the mask I have purchased before. This is probably my 4th tub, I think, of this mask. I really like this. I used the last of the jar I had up the last time I colored my hair, so about 2 weeks ago I used the last of a jar up, so I was in need of this, and I always use it when I color my hair. Instead of the conditioner that they provide, because I do use box color at home, and yes, if you're a hairdresser, hairstylist, I understand it's not good for me to color my hair at home. I do know that, but that's what I do, so that's that. But so I use this instead of the conditioner that they provide with the box hair color, because I really like this. I use it other times too, especially now that my hair is shorter and I put product in it, you know, it just gets dry. So I really like this a lot. That's good stuff. And then also, what do we have? I purchased demos for campaign 20. I'll show you. Oh, no, I'm skipping. Something else I got that's not just available to campaign 18 was the new clinical resurfacing expert smoothing fluid. I did pick this up. I am anxious to try it. I'm a little nervous, but people reassured me that it is not scary. Like my face isn't going to get eaten away or anything like that. So I am going to try that. I haven't opened it yet, but I will be trying that hopefully this week. I'll get to that. And then I picked up some things that were not exclusive, or that were coming in campaign 20. So those would be this, I showed it to you in the last What's New I did, the new Hydrofusion Replenishing Serum. And I can show you what that looks like. I did use this. I actually used it one time because I wanted to at least give you guys like an initial impression of it, so I could at least tell. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's a white and clear bottle. You can see all the billions of little bubbles in there. So that's kind of neat. You know, you can see all those little bubbles. This is the serum. Let me put some on my... Can you see it there? There we go. Right there. And see, it's not thick or anything. It's definitely a serum. This doesn't have much of a scent, but it's slightly floral. So it does have a little bit of a scent to it, but it dissipates quickly. It's very lightweight. It goes in like super easy. It is not heavy at all, and it does not leave you sticky or tacky whatsoever. It absorbs in completely into the skin. Of the two serums, which I am planning on using them both, I'm going to use this one in the daytime under my makeup and the Power Serum at night before bed. Of the two serums, I would say the Power Serum is more, the consistency of it is not thicker than this, but it's a little bit heavier, maybe a little bit more moisturizing, a little bit more weighty. You feel it more on your skin than you do with this. So that's why I'm going to put this one under makeup in the daytime, and this one's going to stay for nighttime. And then I also grabbed the a new Hydrofusion gel cream that came in two. Let me see. I opened it already. And I use this too. And this has the same scent. Here's the packaging. It's white and blue, just like, well, white like the other one. It has a little seal on the top of it. And it's just, like it says, like a gel cream. Very lightweight. It also has that, kind of scent to it that the serum has. It might be a slightly stronger with this, but again, once you put it in, it dissipates. You don't notice it. Yeah, like now that I'm rubbing it in, it's gone pretty much. And this is the same thing. It's super lightweight and it absorbs in right away. There is like no stickiness, no tackiness. I think this is going to be a fantastic moisturizer for people who have oily skin, large pores, and people in the summertime that want something that's not going to be heavy or weigh them down. So very excited. So like I'm planning on using this daytime also in combination with this. You know, these will be my two products for the daytime as soon as I finish up what I'm working on now. Okay, so in my campaign 18 order, which campaign 18 is live now, I ordered something from the outlet. I ordered the pineapple earrings. They were on page 2 of the outlet for $4.99. And this is what they look like. I think they're super cute. Like really, really cute. Can you see how cute they are? I know I'm shaky. Let me try holding it with this hand and maybe I won't be as shaky. Really, really cute. So those are on page, in the outlet for campaign 18, they are on page 2. And they're $4.99. I just think they're really adorable. And I wanted them before, but then I was like, I don't know if I need them or not. And then, of course, when they were on sale, I'm like, well, you can't say no to that. So I got them. Okay, now there's 3 items that I'm going to show you guys that debuted in campaign 18. I didn't grab my 18 book. Hold on. Let me get it. So this is what campaign 18 looks like. It's the new lash serum that Avon is introducing to help your eyelashes grow. It's called Unlimited Lashes Lash and Brow Activating Serum. I ordered 2 pieces of jewelry and a piece of clothing for campaign 18. So I am going to find the, you know what? I am a big fat liar. What I ordered is not for campaign 18, it's for campaign 19. All this time, I don't know why I've been telling you guys this, because I'm a whack job. Because I told you I'm not myself right now. I'm not myself right now, and yeah, so the jewelry that I'm going to show you is not in campaign 18, it's in campaign 19. But I will show you something that is in campaign 18. So there is this cute flyer. I would highly recommend checking this out under the brochures section. It's called Easy Weekend Wear. Super cute stuff in this. I really wanted like all of it, but I can't get it all. So right off the bat, here's 2 cute t-shirts. One says Sunday Fun Day and the other one is Weekend Lover, and they're like tie sleeve shirts. Really, really, really cute. I didn't get either one of those. But what I did get was this. Oh, and we got to just take a second to look at these slippers, which I haven't got yet, but I'm still thinking about it, with the bow on them, and they're only $9.99 a piece. Adorable. But there were two t-shirts that really, really, really called out to me, and I didn't know which one to get, and I was like, you got to get one of them. So here's the two t-shirts. One says, all I need is love and Wi-Fi. And the other one says, wake up and make up. Can you guess which one I got? I'll give you a second to guess. Did you guess the makeup and wake up one? Because that's the one I got. And both of these are $19.99 a piece. So I will show that to you right now. I haven't even taken it out of the package yet, because it's white and I am like a big old messy person. So I didn't want to get it junked up. And I have an Avon meeting tonight. It's in like, I don't know, like 2.5 hours. And I wanted to wear this, but we eat dinner during our meetings. And I know I can't wear a white t-shirt during dinner. It's a disaster. So yeah, so it's got tissue around it. And I ordered an extra large because last time I got the Boss Lady t-shirt a while back, and in the 1X, it was too big for me. So I went ahead and I got extra large in this, and I'm seeing that I think it's going to be plenty big. Can you see it? Plenty big. So this is the extra large. It has a cuffed sleeve here, really cute. And the it's blingy. Can you see it? It's all little rhinestones. So I was so excited about this shirt. So I'm definitely going to wear it in a future video. I just have to be careful because I'm terrible at, and it really feels, you can really feel those. I mean, they're very, like, you can see, they're very blingy. So yeah, I just thought this shirt was so stinking cute. I couldn't not get it. But I know with it being white that I'm probably gonna try not to anyways. Right? So that's $19.99. It's so stinking cute. I could not say no to that. And it's in this easy weekend wear flyer that is available now. Okay, so I grabbed two pieces of jewelry that were in campaign 19 in the Parisian collection. And they are matching. They're from the same collection. The packaging is really cute. It's got that little Parisian print that's on the inside of the jacket. And then there's a t-shirt too that has this print on it. So I like that it's all matchy. So this is the Pearly Parisian layered bracelet. And then the other one is the Pearly Parisian layered necklace. These are so stinking beautiful. I am so glad that I got them. I absolutely love this. So this is the bracelet here. Can you see it? It's like all these different strands with different pearls on them. And then it's got this little like V-shaped clasp here and on the same over there. And it's just got a regular, what do you call that? Lobster claw clasp. And I can't clasp it on my own. But look at that, you guys. Oh, it's so pretty. I just love it. I love the different colors of pearls. Oh, it's gorgeous. I'm so pleased with it. And then I'll show you the necklace too. The necklace is a stunner. It's gorgeous. So pleased. These were the two things. There was so much that I wanted out of that demo book for the campaign 19 What's New. So much that I wanted, and I can't get it all at once. So I ended up, you know, like I said, I just went for the two pieces that called to me the most, and then slowly as the campaigns go on, I'll try to add more. So here is the necklace. And it has a good extender on it. So I think, I don't know for sure, but I think the price on this necklace is going to be $24.99, and then the intro price is going to be $14.99. And I think the bracelet's going to be $14.99, and the intro price on that's going to be $8.99 or $7.99. But I just love it. It's a stunner. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so glad I got it. So those are coming in campaign 19. And then I have a couple more things to show you. They're not haul items. I didn't purchase them. Avon sent them to me. I earned them in an incentive a while back, a sales incentive for selling more in a certain campaign than I did last year at this time. And so I'll show you guys what they are. I haven't taken them out yet. One of them is a tote bag, and it says Aspira on it. Let's take it out. Again, this is a white item too, and I am terrible with white stuff, so I don't know. I'll have to be really careful with this. But it just says Aspira. It's got brown handles and a zipper at the top. It's pretty basic, but you know, still nice to get this. It's very roomy, so it can hold a lot of stuff. So they sent me that. And then also there is an apron that says Aspira, which I'm all about that because I can always use another apron. Keith was like, you're really into aprons now. And I'm like, I know, I never was before. When I used to cook, I used to get, you know, I didn't care, and I could tell this one, and I'm not saying it's not a high quality or anything, but it's thinner. And I kind of like that because I get hot like when I'm cooking. So like the apron I got at Greenfield Village that I showed you guys a while back is so beautiful, but it's heavy. This is thinner. Oh, there it is. This is thinner. So it just says Aspira by Avon, and it has the thing that goes around my neck, which, oh, it goes down pretty low, but that's okay. And then, you know, it ties around. It's got ties back here to, you know. So I'm glad to have this. Very, very glad to have that, actually, because it's nice and lightweight. So that's cool. And then, literally, that's cool. And then the last thing they sent me was a magnet for my car, and I knew that I was getting it. I didn't know it was this big. It's huge, you guys. It says, "This is the boss life." And it's just like a magnet that you can stick on the car, and you're on the side of the car, on the back. I told Keith, I said, I'm going to put this purpley pink magnet with these lipsticks on it on the tailgate of your big blue truck. So, yeah. I don't know if I will. I don't exactly know what I'm going to do with it right now. I'm trying harder to think of ways that I can incorporate. I don't really like to try to recruit local customers or gain local customers because I don't want to deliver in person. I want to keep my business as online as I possibly can. So I don't want to like necessarily hand out brochures, but I want to let people know that I'm a rep at the same time so that they have the option of ordering online from me if they want versus, you know, because I don't want to deliver in person. I don't want to take any more rep delivery customers on right now. So that's it, you guys. That's all the stuff I got with my campaign order. So campaign 18 is going on now, and it'll be on through next week, and I'll put the dates for that it ends in the description section below, as well as the date that customer service or customer appreciation deal ends. So remember, it's $25 orders get free shipping, $50 orders get free shipping, and the 4-piece A New Ultimate mini set, which is really nice. And then also don't forget, we still have the $10 sign up going on. So if you want to join my Avon team, you can do that for only $10 right now. That's going still for about another week. So lots of good stuff going on right now. But I'm sorry I didn't do a campaign 18 video for you guys. I plan on having a 19 up, and I'll be back in the swing of things. I just wasn't feeling it. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching, and you can question or comment below. And also I wanted to say really quick, I appreciate you guys being kind and very supportive of the video that I put up with my little Avon helpers. They really wanted to do a video. They kept asking me and asking me and asking me if they could do one, if we could do one, and I said we could. And you know, it's always when you put a video up with children in it, you have to be really careful. And so I'm really appreciative of all the kind words and the support, and they had a lot of fun doing it, and so did I. So thank you guys for that. But I will thank you so much, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video.